friends, my name is Sanchit and today I will teach you how to make SMS client in C#.net. First of all, I can open this folder and double click this solution file, and this is a form which I can design for such kind of application. So you can see there are two labels, one for login ID and second for password, and there are two more text box and one is for login ID and second is for password. If you want to make such kind of application, then you have an account in way2sms, and if you don't have an account in way2sms, then you can open a browser and type here site6.way2sms.com and register yourself by clicking this button, and after filling this form you can get one ID and password. Okay, so we can switch back to Visual Studio, and there are two more options. First is to, and there is a text box in which you want to enter the mobile number of the person which you want to send SMS, and second option, that is message, and there is a text box in which you can enter the message which you want to send to that person. Okay, so minimize and then copy this DLL file and click on view, then solution explorer, then right click on window forms application and paste it, and after this click on the project, then add reference, then browse, and then select the SMS client.dll file and then click OK, and after that double click on send button, and first of all include one namespace, that is SMS client, and then on button click event send SMS class. So this is the class which is in the SMS client namespace. First of all, we can make object of this class, and SMS is the object of this class. Okay, and we can call the function, that is send function, and you can see there are 4 parameters in this function. First is for login ID, that comes from text box 1.text. Second is password, that comes from text box 2.text, and then message, that comes from text box 4.text, and last is the number of the person which you want to send SMS, and that comes from text box 3.text. Okay, so I can use one variable status, that is of string type, and I want to save the return value of this function in this variable. Okay, and if the return value means status is equal to 1, that means message sent successfully. Okay, and else if status is equal to 2, that means message box dot show no internet connection is available. Okay, so if the status is equal to 1, then message sent successfully, and if the status is equal to 2, that means no internet connection is available. And if the status is not is equal to 1 and 2, then else part, and that means message box dot show invalid login ID or password. Okay, and if the status not is equal to 1 and not is equal to 2, then the message comes invalid login ID or password. Okay, and I can run this application by pressing F5, and then I can type my login ID, that is 977909558, and I can enter my password, and then in this example I can use my own number, so 977909558, and type the message like hello, and after that I can click on send button. So their message comes, that is message sent successfully. That means the message is sent to my mobile number. Okay, so this is the application of the SMS client, and you can use this application for sending SMS to mobiles to any persons at free of cost. Okay, and I hope you will enjoy this, and this is very helpful to you, and so you must watch this, and thank you very much. Okay.